Welcome back to our session. Children, observe this code and try to find the output. Pause this video and then try to identify the output of the above code. Hope you all are doing. Let me find out the answer. So this program is about update. There is a value called max. There is a variable named as max is declared 100. And then you are printing that maximum value first, and then you are calling the function called update. What is happening inside update? Inside update, maximum is updated to 50 and I'm expecting that value to be printed. And then once you come back to that main program, then updated max is to be printed. So that is my aim. But let us see whether it is happening or not. Will you get the maximum updated? Let us see how the program gets executed. Where the flow of control starts, it starts here. This is the statement number 1. And after that, once it finds a function definition, then it will skip all these statements and then directly comes to this statement, main program. Max is declared as 100. So in the global scope, this is the global scope, okay, in which max is a variable which is a reference to a value. Somewhere in the memory location there is a number 100. This max is now referencing that 100. And what is printed? Print maximum is equal to max value. So what is the output? So here I am writing output. What is printed? Maximum is equal to 100. This is printed. And after that, so third statement is over. Now you are at fourth statement. What is the fourth statement? Update function. So flow of control is now directly going to this particular function. This is said to be function header, right? Function header update function. So max is now 50. What happens with this max? Is it the same max or different max? Please remember, this is a different max that is in local scope. Okay, that is in local scope. There is another scope is created inside the global scope where this is update function update scope. Variable max is created which is equal to now 50. What is print max? What it will print? It will print 50 only, right? So 50 is now printed. Once it is over, then it will come back to, after executing all these statements, then it will come back to this particular statement, right? So this is set after 4, this is 5, 6, and now this statement is there. Once you are coming out of this particular function scope, means after executing statement number 6, then this scope is not visible. This local max is not visible. When you come out of that function, here it is again executing another statement, print updated max is equal to. So what is printed? Updated max. Updated max is equal to. Which value is printed now? Now you are in global scope. Which value is printed? Yes, 100 is only printed. But are you getting that max updated? No. Then my problem is that in order to update a global variable, in order to change a global variable, this max is said to be global variable, right? This is a global variable where this is a local variable. My intention is to access that global value inside update, as well as I want to change that global variable, right? In order to do that, we have a concept called global keyword. I would like to explain about global keyword now. What is the use of global keyword? Now let me change the function def update. Inside this update function, I am writing global max. Whenever you write global max, now another copy, local copy will never be created. Rather, it is referencing the same max which is used in the main program. And then you write max is equal to, okay, then let us write the statement max is equal to 50 and then print of max. Okay, children. And then what is the main program? Main program is max is equal to 100, print max, and then call that function update, and then again try to print the value max. What is the output now? Output is, again I am drawing the same thing. This is global scope. Statement number 1. After this statement is executed. This is 1, this is 2. Global scope where max is pointing to 100, and then printing max value 100 is printed, and then after this statement update function is called, then flow of control will go to this. Statement 5 says that don't create any max inside this local scope, rather you reference only this global max, right? It is reference, it's not creating another copy of max, rather it is using only this max function variable. Statement 6 says that max is equal to 50. Now this max is no more pointing to 100, it is now pointing to 50. Max is now pointing 50. Print of max, what is printed? 50 is printed. Then you are, now what is the next executable statement? Coming out of the function, then you are executing print max. What is printed? Already you are in global scope whose value is now 50. Understood? So use of global keyword is, in order to use that global variable as well as in order to update that global variable, you have to write global before prefixing that variable name. Before writing that variable name, if you say global max, then it will affect the global variable, but not the local variable is created.